Hey folks, it's Fat Daddy from Fat Daddy's Finest Life Adventures. We just got a new toy, new gimbal, trying to shoot some pretty good footage or whatever. But we got a nice harvest of tomatoes, and today we're going to make what I call West Virginia Filet Mignon. Other than that, it's going to be a great day.
We're going to make the best bologna sandwich you've ever had in your life. Shirley over here. All right, here we go. And that, folks, I mean, I can't say any better. That's the best bologna sandwich ever. Look at that. Look at that. It's great. Perfect. Perfect. Well, after all that, you can see the result. The best bologna sandwich in the world. Everything's empty. Chips are half-mast. Best thing ever. Awesome. Oh. One other thing. Dessert. Strawberry swirl cheesecake with fresh strawberries that have been breaking down for 3 days, so they're at their optimum. So, good luck. Eat this.